ऐसे ही महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी वाली वीडियो के लिए वाई फॉर वायरल
When lightning occurs, it generates an enormous amount of heat. The intense heat causes the air surrounding the lightning channel to rapidly expand and create a shockwave. The shockwave travels through the atmosphere as a sound wave, which we perceive as thunder. The reason why thunder sounds like a roar is due to the complex nature of the lightning discharge. Lightning bolts can be quite long, spanning several kilometers, and they can branch out into multiple channels. These different channels of the lightning bolt create multiple points of origin for the sound waves. As a result, the sound waves reach our ears at slightly different times, creating a rumbling or roaring sound. Additionally, the sound of thunder can also be influenced by the atmospheric conditions and the distance between the lightning and the observer. Thunder can be dampened or amplified by various factors, such as humidity, temperature, wind, and the presence of obstacles like buildings or hills. So, the roaring sound of thunder is essentially the result of the shockwave created by the rapid expansion of air due to the intense heat of lightning, along with the complex nature of the lightning discharge itself.